Hello my friends. Today we'll explore the joy of gardening in tiny homes. Many aspiring gardeners assume they need ample space for a thriving garden. But let me assure you, that is simply not true. It's not about the square footage but rather the care and intention we pour into our plant companions. So if you're ready to transform your tiny home into a green sanctuary, join me as we uncover the most common mistakes to avoid. Together, we'll create a space where both you and your plants can truly thrive. Just like us, plants need light to thrive. But not all light is created equal. The first and perhaps most crucial mistake is not understanding the light situation in your tiny home. South-facing windows are a godsend for sun-loving plants, bathing them in glorious sunlight throughout the day. However, a dimly lit corner might not provide enough energy for even the most low-maintenance plant. To make truly informed decisions, I encourage you to measure the light levels in your home. If you find yourself lacking in natural light, don't despair. Grow lights are a wonderful way to supplement. Embrace these tools and watch your plants flourish even in the coziest corners. Oh, the allure of a lush indoor jungle. It's tempting to cram every nook and cranny with leafy companions. However, overcrowding is a common mistake that can lead to unhealthy plants in a chaotic environment. When plants are too close together, their leaves compete for light, air circulation is stifled, and the risk of pests and diseases increases. Instead of clustering plants on one surface, consider multi-tiered plant stands or hanging planters. Remember, a little breathing room goes a long way in creating a joyful and thriving plant family. Chapter 3. The importance of proper pots. Ah, pots. Those charming vessels that hold our beloved plants. Choosing the right pot is essential for your plant's well-being. One of the biggest mistakes tiny home gardeners make is neglecting drainage. Always choose pots with drainage holes. These holes allow excess water to escape, preventing the roots from sitting in soggy soil. If you fall in love with a pot without drainage, don't worry, there are solutions. You can create a drainage layer at the bottom of the pot using pebbles or a mesh liner. A pot that's too small will restrict root growth, while a pot that's too large can lead to overwatering. Take your time, choose wisely, and watch your plant flourish in its new home. Chapter 4. Choosing the right plants for your tiny home. Selecting plants for your tiny home should spark joy and be a mindful process. Trying to cultivate a tropical plant that thrives in humid jungles within a dry apartment might not lead to a harmonious relationship. Low-maintenance champions like snake plants, pothos, and spider plants are known for their resilience and adaptability. Herbs are another fantastic option for tiny homes. Not only do they add a touch of green, but they also provide fresh flavor for your culinary creations. Mint, basil, and parsley are relatively easy to grow indoors, and can thrive in small pots on a sunny windowsill. Chapter 5. Airflow and humidity, the unsung heroes. In the excitement of choosing plants and pots, it's easy to overlook the importance of air circulation and humidity. Stagnant air can lead to a buildup of pests and diseases, while dry air can cause your plants to wilt and become susceptible to spider mites. A small fan can work wonders in improving air circulation. Even a gentle breeze can help distribute fresh air and prevent the air from becoming too stagnant. Opening windows whenever possible is also beneficial, allowing fresh air to enter and stale air to escape. To increase humidity, consider creating a humidity tray. Simply fill a shallow tray with water and pebbles, and place your plants on top of the pebbles. Chapter 6. Creating a thriving green oasis. By avoiding these common pitfalls and embracing the principles of mindful plant care, you can transform even the smallest of spaces into a verdant sanctuary where both you and your plants can truly thrive. Embrace the process, cherish the small victories, and never stop learning from your plant companions. Happy gardening!